The Natural History Museum is a renowned institution that showcases a vast collection of specimens, artifacts, and scientific exhibits aimed at educating the public about the natural world. These museums often feature an extensive range of displays covering different aspects of biology, geology, paleontology, and anthropology. They play a crucial role in engaging people of all ages in the wonder of the natural world and the dynamic processes that have shaped it over millions of years. The Natural History Museum provides a valuable platform for the dissemination of scientific knowledge and serves as a vital resource for researchers and educators. With their diverse range of exhibits, these institutions are able to cater to a broad audience, from school groups and families to academic researchers and enthusiasts. By offering interactive displays, engaging programs, and informative tours, the museum fosters an appreciation for the natural world and encourages curiosity and inquiry among its visitors. One of the key features of the Natural History Museum is its collection of specimens and artifacts. These can include everything from fossils and minerals to taxidermy animals and preserved plant specimens. These collections are invaluable for both research and public education, providing a tangible connection to the diversity of life on Earth and the forces that have shaped the planet over time. They allow visitors to marvel at the wonders of the natural world, providing a unique opportunity to see and learn about species and ecosystems that they might never encounter in their everyday lives. Additionally, many natural history museums are actively involved in ongoing scientific research and conservation efforts. They often maintain partnerships with universities, research institutions, and other museums to contribute to our understanding of the natural world. This could involve field research, specimen curation, or public outreach programs focused on environmental conservation and sustainability. Furthermore, natural history museums often house impressive dinosaur exhibits, which are popular attractions for visitors of all ages. These exhibits not only showcase the incredible diversity of prehistoric life, but also provide insight into the processes of evolution and extinction that have shaped life on Earth. This can spark curiosity about the ancient past and ignite a passion for paleontology in young and old alike. In addition to physical displays, many natural history museums have embraced digital technology to enhance the visitor experience. Interactive kiosks, virtual reality experiences, and educational apps offer new ways for visitors to engage with the museum's content and explore the natural world. These tools can help bridge the gap between traditional exhibits and modern tech-savvy audiences, making the museum a more dynamic and immersive learning environment. The Natural History Museum is a fascinating institution that offers a diverse range of exhibits and programs aimed at educating and inspiring visitors about the natural world. These museums typically cover a wide array of subjects, including geology, paleontology, botany, zoology, anthropology, and environmental science. Here are some additional details about the features and functions of a typical natural history museum. Exhibits. Natural history museums boast an extensive array of exhibits that showcase a wide range of natural phenomena. These may include displays of fossils, rocks, and minerals, taxidermy animals, botanical specimens, and cultural artifacts from indigenous peoples. Additionally, many museums house special exhibits that focus on specific topics such as ancient civilizations, endangered species, or environmental conservation. These exhibits often provide detailed information through descriptive panels, interactive displays, and multimedia presentations, offering a comprehensive educational experience for visitors. Research. Many natural history museums are actively involved in scientific research, conducting studies in fields such as biodiversity, ecology, climate change, and evolutionary biology. The museum's collections of specimens and artifacts serve as valuable resources for researchers to study, analyze, and document the natural world. Through collaborations with universities, government agencies, and other institutions, museum researchers contribute to our understanding of the Earth's history and the ongoing processes that shape our planet. Public engagement. In addition to preserving and studying natural history, these museums play a vital role in engaging the public in scientific discovery and environmental awareness. Various outreach programs, public lectures, and citizen science initiatives are often organized to involve the community in the museum's activities. These efforts help foster a sense of stewardship for the natural world and empower individuals to take an active interest in conservation and environmental sustainability. Educational programs. Natural history. Museums are dedicated to providing educational opportunities for visitors of all ages. They offer a plethora of educational programs, workshops, and events designed to cater to school groups, families, and lifelong learners. Through guided tours, field trips, hands-on activities, and educational programming, these institutions strive to enrich visitors' understanding of the world around them and inspire a curiosity for the natural sciences. Collaborations and partnerships. Many natural history museums collaborate with other institutions, both locally and internationally, to advance scientific research, conservation efforts, and educational outreach. These collaborations may involve joint research projects, traveling exhibitions, and knowledge-sharing initiatives to further promote the dissemination of scientific knowledge and public engagement. Archives and collections. The museum's vast collections of specimens and artifacts serve as a rich source of material for researchers, educators, and the public. These archives are meticulously maintained and curated, allowing access to scholars and students for study and analysis. These collections also serve as a record of Earth's biodiversity, geology, and anthropological history, providing a tangible link to the natural world's past and present. Digital engagement. Natural history museums are increasingly embracing digital technologies to enhance their offerings and reach wider audiences. This may involve virtual tours, online databases, interactive educational platforms, and mobile apps that provide an immersive and accessible resource for learning and exploration. Overall, the Natural History Museum serves as a dynamic hub for knowledge, discovery, and appreciation of the Earth's natural heritage. Through its exhibits, research initiatives, educational programs, and community outreach, it plays a vital role in fostering a deeper understanding of the natural world and inspiring a sense of wonder and curiosity about our planet's rich history and diverse ecosystems. Education is a central focus of the Natural History Museum, and many offer a wide range of educational programs designed to cater to different age groups and interests. These can include guided tours, workshops, lectures, and hands-on activities that provide an enriching experience for students and adults alike. By engaging with the public in this way, the museum plays a vital role in promoting scientific literacy and fostering an appreciation for the processes and patterns of the natural world. In conclusion, the Natural History Museum is a vital institution that serves as a bridge between the scientific community and the public. It provides a platform for learning, exploration, and discovery, catering to a broad audience and sparking an interest in the wonders of the natural world.